Hear me, I said I'm a Nigeria boy representing for King Mix-Up, the #1 source for the latest in dancehall entertainment. Yeah, yeah.
Boom. Happy 4th of July, early weekend. Nah, I'm just playing. Viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, and I don't know the thing set. Bless. Hope and having a wonderful day today. But you know my style. One bag of one and the one I gotta give them daily updates from the people on the say on the screen. You know what I mean? Just a quick update. You feel what I'm saying? Spice seemingly is responding to everybody that has had her name in their mouth, you know, I guess for the past, let's say, 30 days. You see me, I say. And the people that come to mind is, you know, her ex-friend, you know, say I there, Carly Red, and Foota Hype. You see me, I say, Foota Hype of all. You feel me? Because he has been so vocal of lately, calling her a coward and, you know, batch body and all of these stuff. You see me, I say. So instead of Spice, you know, going on Instagram and keeping up the bagga like she normally does, it's time to capitalize off of it and put it in a two song. You see me, I say, well, in fact, she needs help deciding which song to put out. You know what I mean? Waka or mouth. Yes, she Waka Foota in her mouth. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Let's take a listen.
For them. So I'm going to play 2 songs and who know going to tell me which one me for finish. Because I'm going to finish none of them yet. I'm going to start one and stop it and do a next one. I want to tell me which one. Alright? Are you ready? Which one you play first? Mode first. Yeah. It's kind of foreignish. That's why I'm going to stop it because I'm like, I'm not sure. And then we do a next one. Turn it off. Turn it off. Start, play it.
Chat, all the talk, them a talk, make them go and chat, them a quack. You suck your mother 5 thing, nah, waka, quack. You suck your millipede, halapa chat. All the talk, them a talk, tell them, quack, move, suck your mother 5 thing, nah, waka, black class. Suck your millipede, halapata than the whole of them. Bomba clad. Somebody said that is it. You did it again. Waka. So I got that word from my Nigeria. You know, I'm always intrigued with like people who come to Jamaica. Them always I want me to teach them Jamaican. This is one thing that I learned from Yemi. Because I asked him, I say, no, like how would I say, your bomba clot? Because we come from Jamaica. In our exchange, I remember a long time ago, she taught me about this, your waka. And it stuck so much in my head, I called her the other day. I said, where you say 5 finger? She said, it means suck your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your niece, your whole blood clot family, your waka. Suck your mother! Oh my God! Waka of a style. Waka. When are you she is? Papa Clad. Island Kids Session one with Waka. Swanky said #1 hit differently. Just drop the 2 of them. We can't get enough. Yo! Yes, I agree. Waka for true. Run the first one again. Spice, I love you, bestie. #2, me I run with. Play about #1 again. Wait, let me look and see. Let me like tell them go suck your mother. Out your mouth. Keep my name out your mouth. Out your mouth.
Yeah, so those are the 2 songs she needs help deciding to send to the world. You see me, I say, as you can see, she captioned it mouth and, you know, waka. You see me, I say, I guess chat, as you heard, you know. You see me, put in the comment section if you feeling it, you feel me? But speaking about waka and what she was saying with, you know, bomba clot and all of these things, you know, said Nicki Minaj teach the world a new word today, as you can see. The whole of her Twitter is, you know, in a frenzy because she said, you know, strags, gats. You know what I mean? Similar to, the chichi boy name, the bundle elastics and all of these things and things, you see me I say. But anyway, people, let's proceed to the next. Now, I want to take the time out to congratulate the Feisties on their first child together, because, her husband got a couple of kids out there already. You see me I say. And the people that know Nikki have baby already because, she have a subscription page when they can go check out. You know what I mean? But she's describing her child and she says she's going to need her daughter to return her face. You know what I mean? Because she even have the space teeth that Nikki had before getting the veneers. You see me I say? Because Nikki, I'll forget that. You see it? But she said her daughter never born with no teeth, but the way all the gum them farm out, you can see the gap. You see me I say? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. He's definitely a good look, Who would have thought Nikki Chromazz would have been married, much less in a relationship with a man, given her history, you see me I say. But it shows you that, healing to, the lesbian nation is a man. You see me I say. Just my theory. You know what I mean? But a lot of people thought that Mr. Facey would have done runway already like he did the previous woman. Then he got down the knees and proposed. So don't know the stories and things, you know what I mean? But they look happily ever after. You know what I mean? And she said that he's the happiest daddy in the world right now. So if you want to subscribe to the Feisties right now, they're up on Instagram. You see what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure they'll make their way over on YouTube in the near future. You know what I mean? But anyway, just giving that quick update while I go on with the Loom couple, so let's proceed to the next. Now, Queen Ifrica, I'm her empress, that she's immersed, and we joke around with her and all of these things, but, besides that, she's definitely going through some things. But, she's an empress and a warrior in these times, so she's definitely holding her composure, you know what I mean? And we'll get into this bleaching thing, because somebody sent me some information to give out there, so ladies all can see. But as you can see, Queen Ifrica said open eyes wide open, one Jamaica. So let's take a listen.
Greetings. Remember now we can't misquote silence. Let me say you can't do. You can't misquote silence. See? Go and listen, man, and go and pay attention. Only with your eyes, you're going to behold everything where going to take place in front of your face in other earth here. You see me? Always remember that. Reality is the best reality. No other reality and no reality. A reality alone, a reality. But the whole thing, I world I do some little thing when I want place run here, so. Don't miss.
Now, whenever I see her talking about one Jamaica, I know she has a few people in mind that she is, how should I say it, is saying that it's dividing Jamaica. As you know, right now, Dr. Umar Johnson is in Jamaica right now. Doing his speeches like he normally does around the world. I think him gone up our way. And in a Spanish town and all of them places that you see me I say, but you can see him there a compound, you know what I mean? Maroon land, you see me specifically with Chief Curry then. And we all know Chief Curry and the Queen do not see eye to eye. You feel what I mean? So, everybody is doing their part in that revolution. You see me I say. I'm not here to say who, who's, mean more for the people, them, you know what I mean? Just to let you know what I'm going for, not to go and put in the comment section what you think about that. Now, I seen a video the other day, Queen Ifrica put up, basically warning vloggers about, the things them that them put up, because, it can really, hurt people, you know what I mean? We're talking specifically about Jassy mother, and Romy mother, Romy is the Dan brother who dead and all of this stuff. Both parents came out and said, them not have no issue with them. Both families not have no issue with them one another. And the blogger them a spread rumor. But we know how they got to go, and you can't really come and, inform and all of these stuff. So everybody shifts blame on the vlogger, you feel me? Because best and believe police is not working off of vloggers' intel. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, Lady Saw did the show the other day in Grosvenor Park, and I bought out some bleachers. And what came to people's mind was Queen Ifrica. You know what I mean? Because we never used to, her dermatology being this type of color. You feel me? So a lot of people thought that she was a bleacher. And plus, how she did the Survives Cartel and thing. And thing about bleaching, and she come out with that color, yeah, you see me? Well, one of my African followers, who's into their culture, and sent me this the other day saying, "Oh, lady, sir," I said, "Queen Ifrica bleach her skin when that's the tribe Queen Ifrica came from back in the motherland." And I will post, and I will definitely put in the comment section what tribe specifically my follower was talking about. You see me? I said, but as you can see, we blacks comes in all different types of shit. Anyway, people, not go long this one no longer. Just to get them quick update while I go on for that to go and put in the comment section what you think about that. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when we do drop the latest and dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips.